So I thought this was pretty interesting. I'm in Red Canyon right now, which is on the same plateau as Bryce Canyon, formed from the Claron Formation, just like Bryce Canyon. I mean, look, we got the exact same type of rock formations there, except I'm on the west side and Bryce Canyon's on the east side of the plateau. But I'm really interested in this wall right here, which, if you look closely, has some really interesting things going on. Firstly, we got this really typical like calcareous mudstone that characterizes the Claron Formation, but right above it you have something very different, which is obviously a conglomerate. I think what happened was initially you had this layer being laid down, probably in like an open water or wetland type area, or just a calcareous mudstone accumulated, but then the conditions changed and we had a river running right over this spot, which deposited all these smooth stones. They were smoothed out by the river and they slowly piled up, and so you get quite fine the higher up you get, but they're still cemented together by this general matrix, which might be calcareous. It feels a bit more sandstony actually, which again might fit the characteristic of this being a river. And then you have another layer right above it where, back to the sort of calcareous mudstone, but another much smaller river layer, and then more of the mudstone on top of it. Really fascinating stuff. It's a very, very calcareous material here. Like I'm almost positive it would react with acid if I was to put some on it. It would fizz up instantly, I bet. All that stuff is super calcareous. So you got some really fine pebbly textures in here too. So for whatever reason, in some cases it must have been carrying some really fine pebbles, like, and that looks like there's almost no matrix left and it's just pure gravel. But I just thought it was interesting. I don't know too much about geology, but this is a really clear case where you can tell what was going on in a particular area.